if we have any image inside our numbers document, then we can easily resize here. So it is one of my document which is numbers, and now I'm going to import one image here. That means I need to insert one image. This is my image folder. Suppose I want to insert this image, so I'm going to drag and drop it here. This is the easiest way to import the image file inside the numbers. So I see my image already inserted. Now I need to resize this thing. To resize this thing, at first we need to select the image. If we selected our image, then we will find this is square, like square type of white square will be there. If we don't see, that means our image is not selected. So see here, there is nothing. So to resize this image, at first we need to select it. I'm going to click here. Anywhere of this image we can click, and this type of small white square will be appeared at the corner. Now to resize this thing, we can choose any corner and we can drag like this way or this way. If you want to decrease the size of this image, we need to drag like this way, and if you want to increase our image size, then we have to drag like this way. There are a couple of points are there. Any points, it will work the same way. Suppose this point here is the same thing. Then if you want to use this square, it's the same thing, right? So in this way we can easily resize the image inside Apple numbers.